CNN News 18 makes sense. We're done with some breaking news on the broadcast. A political debate has intensified after Asaduddin Owaisi drew sharp parallels between Tipu Sultan and Vinayak Damodar Savarkar, which was during a public address. Now speaking in Hyderabad, the MIM chief said that Tipu Sultan was martyred while fighting the British and never really sought mercy from colonial rulers. Owaisi further alleged that unlike Tipu, Savarkar wrote letters to the British seeking forgiveness and promising cooperation. Now he further claimed that Tipu chose to fight with his sword and laid down his life in resistance. Let's listen in to what he has to say.
अंग्रेजों से लड़कर टीपू की शहादत हुई। जेल में बैठकर टीपू तुम्हारे वीर की तरह 6 लव लेटर नहीं लिखा अंग्रेजों को मैं माफ कर दो, तुम जो बोले मैं करता हूं। टीपू तलवार लेकर अपने मुल्क को अंग्रेजों से आजाद कराने के लिए शहीद हो गया। क्या यह बात झूठ है कि एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम ने अपनी किताब विंग्स ऑफ फायर में लिखा कि भारत मौजूदा जो मिसाइल टेक्नोलॉजी, रॉकेट टेक्नोलॉजी को आज कर रहा है, वो टीपू के ख्वाबों को हम पूरा कर रहे हैं। गांधी ने अपनी यंग एज मैगजीन में लिखा कि टीपू सुल्तान वाज द एम्बॉडीमेंट ऑफ हिंदू मुस्लिम यूनिटी। अब क्या गांधी को झूठा बोलेंगे? आप मेरे को बोल सकते हैं आप?
For more on this, I'm being joined by CNN News 18's Ananya Gupta. Ananya, very good morning to you. Walk us through the different kind of allegations being made by Owaisi at this point.
Good morning to you too. So we can see a wage of words waged between Congress Chief Harshvardhan Sabkal and Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, where we saw Congress Chief comparing Tipu Sultan to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj when he was asked about the deputy mayor in Malegaon putting up a photo of Tipu Sultan. He said absolutely Tipu Sultan and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj both are symbols of bravery and both are equated, and he said that Tipu Sultan fought away. He is the son of the soil and he fought against the British for the country. When Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis replied strongly, saying that this is absolutely condemnable. The words of Harshvardhan Sabkal, the Congress leader, should absolutely be taken back, and someone like Tipu Sultan shouldn't be compared to a leader like Tipu Sultan who killed thousands of Hindus. Back to you.
All right, Ananya. Thank you so much for all of those details.